In this video, we are going to set up a new accounting period for A to Z car hire. As per our document, A to Z car hire limited accounting period is starting from 1st of June 2024. So here I'm going to show you how to create a new accounting period. As you can see here, there is year not set. Can you see here the year not set? By clicking here, I'm going to start our accounting period. Our accounting period is 1st of June 2024 to 30th of May 2025. Now, year end is being set. I also going to show you some of the features which are available here. You can see File, Edit, View, Transactions, Display, MTT, and Text Data, Setup, Window, Help. Below, you can see in these small icons. Now, I'm going to show you a small introduction by files. It is the file, New Company, opening a new company. And most importantly, we need to know once we prepare a display screen. In display screen, we can able to see by clicking F2 account, Control A all, and Control H is a home page, transactions F3, trial balance F4, profit and loss account F5, balance sheet F6, age analysis F7, ledger balance F8, turnover by account F9, VAT returns F11. So these are the display shortcut that we have here. Thank you for watching.